baby, tell me to stay. Walk me off a cliff as you float in the air, and I'll fall straight down while I reach for your hair. You should have been a rainstorm, I'd have been dirt. We'd washed away and sunk deep in the earth. But now I was a dog and you were a rat. Oh, here come the cat. Hold me like a Kennedy, burn like a sun. I will be the bullet, baby, you be the gun. Rock me like a senator, kidnap the judge, but you don't have to torture me to shut me up. Here come the cats. Here come the cats. You can play the landslide, I can play dead. We can toss around all the knives in your head. Jesus will come back and he'll set us on fire, and you and I will sing again. I can still remember you sitting in the kitchen, laughing in the distance, darling. I shouldn't miss it, but it used to thrill me. I guess I miss it, but you exist to kill me. So lock me up, toss the key, wash away your sins at mass. Little rats might set you free, but